Hey everybody, JT King here with King Steel Fasteners. Actually at our plant here in Oxford, Michigan on Metamora Road, and installing a Gabion basket here after we just got this fresh concrete and asphalt put in. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on the two ways that when setting up these Gabion baskets that you can kind of close them up and get them ready to put your rocks in. One of those ways is lacing wire, and you'd cut your length and you'd string it through here. Takes quite a bit of time, but there's a lot of strength in the lacing wire, and good way, but I want to show you a faster way, a way that we prefer, and that's using this right here. See those beautiful stainless steel hog rings on there? All you got to do is go up to this thing and bam, closing it up right on there. So speed is definitely the objective here when you're using one of these. Oh yeah, look at Mark. Seasoned pro, veteran of many years, knows exactly what he's doing. Money. A little more. Got it. Go. Money. Here. Boom. Love it. Okay. Now. Mark, let's get one more down here. And if Jesse, you want to really zoom in, go nice and slow, Mark. Boom. Nice. Gorgeous.
There we go. Solid.
Really slowly up. Zach, how easy is that closing for you right now, man?
Oh, smooth as butter, baby.
Smooth as butter. And what are we using right now, Zach?
Using the KC1511, our hand tool.
Love it. Boom.
Oh yeah.
See all those rings? Boom. Beautiful stainless steel 11 gauge made right here in Oxford, Michigan. Boom.
All right, day one. Got the first section filled in of the Gabions. Just need to get more stone and we can keep on moving. We got a lot more to do.